Huh? What?
Pasasakyan ng boss ni Josawa. Pasasakyan sa amin. Hindi namin yung sasakyan pasasakyan ng boss ni Josawa kasi mahal din ang sasakyan dito. May libre kami sasakyan dito. You just put inside. Mukha ka ng camera. Ano kaya hinihintay niya? Gusto niya pa ng camera. Ganda ng weather. Grocery lang kami. Then, magagala kami mamaya. Ito yung resort, guys. Yan yung resort. Itong lugar namin is compound ng resort. Bali, ano lang to, yung bahay is sa company ni Josawa. Libre. Libre pa bahay ng ng boss ni Josawa. So, hindi pala siya paupahan. Kumbaga, ang umuupa, mali ako yung sa dati kong vlog. Ang umuupa yung boss ni Josawa, yung sa trabaho niya. Hindi kami nagbabayad. Kumbaga, libre. Libre pa bahay kami dito. Yan yung privilege ni Josawa sa work. Tapos, driver tayo dito. Tayo ang driver ni Josawa. Ang ganda doon mamaya. Igagala ko kayo. So, yan. We can go now. Ang ganda ng panahon. Malapit lang naman yung supermarket dito sa amin. Ang baga, lang. Parang lakad lang. Nagkaroon ako ng bagong sasakyan dito. Dito sa Netherlands ako nagkaroon ng bagong sasakyan. Sa Poland, second hand yung gamit ko. Pero nung wala ako, ang nagdadrive na to yung kapatid ni Josawa. Ha? Which one?
Left.
Right?
Left.
Left?
Yes.
Try ice cream na.
Or, we have ice cream also in the phone. Huh? Maybe only, I think.
Huh?
Maybe only. It's open or closed? Closed, maybe.
No, it's closed Saturday.
It's Tuesday. It's closed though.
It's closed. What now? Go back?
Right, go on parking. We check on internet which shop is open.
It's closed on Saturday?
Today is, Celebration King Day,
What? Holiday pala. It's closed. close now.
We'll take some.
Wait.
I don't know, maybe off before.
Close yung shop. There's more space there, right? Here. More space. Ayun yung mascot. Ayun o. Where he go? Where he go? Where he go? Ayun. Where he go? You can see. Lilo, he go on the bike, oh. Ika-follow him. Meron natawa ay. They go there, they go. They going down. Bao, come here, take him a picture.
Anak